Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. To this video, I will show you on how to terminate 600 squared in camera cable and the low voltage switchgear panel. See you guys.
This is the Incomer 600 square millimeters cable from transformer room. And this is also the terminal of Incomer switchgear. The 1600 amps switchgear, located at the low voltage room. The source power of the building is coming from this switchgear, connected to the MSB of the building. MSB means main switchboard. And now, the measurement of 600 square millimeters cable from the floor of panel until the terminal points. This is the three-phase terminals. The red is line 1, the yellow is line 2, and the blue is line 3. With a power of 440 volts, phase to phase. The CT coil, current transformer, for neutral side. Now continue the termination of two red cables, back-to-back connection. Using this pipe to make straight the cable.
Oh, sila lang gumawa niyan? Nung umalis ka? Oh, tapos walang silo. Wala pang may silo ka.
This is the hydraulic crimping machine with maximum size of 800 square millimeters lugs. And this lug size use is 600 millimeters.
Mahirap din yung ginagawa doon sa airbase nila. Yung ginagawa namin. 800 din yun, single, ang dami noon.
Introducing the cable joiner with license, Mr. Edmar from Bacolod, Philippines.
800 lang. Pinakamataas na yan. So, okay, pang malaking industrial na yun eh. Pag 1,000 eh. Zeralim. Oh. Maro. Pala ang dilim-dilim kanina eh. Ngayon lumiliwanag na siya oh. Tulog ka na ito, cellphone na ito.
Mainit kasi doon ganyan.
Kaya nasilawan siya eh. Kung ano na ngayon, lumiwanag na kanina.
Yan, Rodolfo. Doset ka? Kali to admin. Yesim sim, Rodolfo nitse.
Now insert the cable sleeve. Both one-phase terminal has two 600 square millimeter single core cable.
Kami ni Rod, ulap down. Down na karo. Ostra. Aywa. Alka se down. Nene hilaw kawal hilaw. Dabaw dar se. Nene utaw. Utaw se tura halka utaw se. Aywa,
Maiksi yung screw.
sabar lang. Alka.
Meron pa?
Okay. Isi karo ha?
One is done. Another one is preparing.
Dasra.
Using again the pipe to make straight the cable.
Lags at sana
As you can see, put the lug first in the machine, then press a little.
Bas, bas, bas. Sa wala? Aywa.
The same procedure. Insert the machine into the cable with the 600 millimeters lugs.
Tulong. Oo. Dali pa rin. Kung gusto ng kumpanya itong mga ganito, ngunit lang kaya ng mga tao na marami. Susunod ito, tapos kunti lang yung trabaho. Ito yung mga skill na lang polos na.
Ha? Okay. Saya si Maro. Tuko, tuko.
Yung sweldo ninyo sa katapusan lagi? O primero mo linggo?
Tapusan eh, unang linggo.
Ganon. May katapusan may unang linggo rin. Tapos tayo. Amin minsan mga 2 linggo pa.
Oo.
Katapusan yung stop ng time set, tapos 2 linggo pa bago magkasahod. No, at least sumasahod ka sa yung iba.
Oo. Okay.
Yan.
Doon ka tayo to gana? Ha? Baka? Ha?
Mahila ni sir. Mahila yan. Yung producer. Kaya. Kaya no? Kaya, kaya. Ha? Kasi ano? Wala nang ano to? Wala nang sukat-sukat? Tapos,
And the last, but not the least, the neutral cable termination.
Maano naman no? Mahigpit naman no?
Oo. Di ba kasi pagpahaba eh?
Kaya maganda yung mahaba no?
Kasi pag nilogan mo lumalabas ulit.
Oo. Okay. Okay na yung mga ganyan. Pwes na yan.
Ay, pitang mo yun sa kanya.
Yung mga torque wrench pa? Magdala sila ng torque wrench.
Kaya pitan no? Wala yung top dito. Sa release.
As you can see, the lug pressed into times, and that's the procedure.
Class.
Success.
Look at this.
Oh.
And it's done. The total cable is 7 by 600 mm squared by 2 in each phase, equals to 6, and 1 for the neutral. And the last is to heat the sleeves using the acetylene gas.
And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like and share. Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.